Welcome back to Geomatics. This is question 4 of Nov-Dec 2023 Wassce Core Mathematics Examination. Question 4 says, a binary operation asterisk defined on the set of real numbers R by A asterisk B, or A operation B, is equal to A plus B plus A squared B. It says evaluate 1 over 4 operation 1 over 2. So we will start by saying that given A operation B is equal to A plus B plus A squared B, 1 over 4 operation B, operation 1 over 2, operation 1 over 2 is given by 1 over 4 is now representing the A, plus B is now 1 over 2 plus A is 1 over 4 against 1 over 4 squared, multiplying B, which is 1 over 2. So solving the right hand side, let me rewrite it again to make it clearer. 1 over 4 operation 1 over 2. So let's use BODMAS and solve the bracket first. So rewrite, we have 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 squared gives us 1 squared over 4 squared. 4 squared is equal to 16 times 1 over 2. So this is going to give us 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2. 1 over 16 times 1 over 2 gives us 1 over 32. So 1 over 32. In solving this, we can use the LCM method. The LCM is 32. So 32 enters 1. 1 times 1 gives us 1. 2 enters into 32. 16 times. 16 times 1 gives us 16. 4 enters into 32 8 times. 8 times 1 gives us 8. 16 plus 8 is giving us 24, plus 1 giving us 25 over 32. 1 over 4 operation 1 over 2 is going to give us 25 over 32. So let's go to the B part. It says that given that sine x is equal to 8 over 17 and sine y is equal to 5 over 13, where x and y are acute angles, evaluate sine x minus cos y all on cos x plus sine y. To solve this, it is very advisable to draw this. So given sine x is equal to 8 over 17, this is a question that involves the right angle triangle. So we are going to say, draw a right angle triangle, and then we are going to put the angle at the side. Sine means that opposite over hypotenuse. So if you are using the mnemonic SOH, which is so, sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite of x is 8. The opposite is the side that the angle faces. And then we are saying that hypotenuse is also giving us 17. So it means that we need to find the value here. So we can label it as A. Okay, how do you find A? We know from Pythagoras theorem that 8 squared plus A squared is going to give us 17 squared. Okay, so 17 times 17 is going to give us 289. Then 8 squared is going to give us 64, and we still have our A squared. So A squared is equal to 289 minus 64 goes to the right, it becomes negative 64. So A squared is going to give us 289 minus 64, which is going to give us 225. So A is going to be the square root of 225. It's going to give us A is equal to 15. So we can come and say A is equal to 15 here. We don't want to continue. We want to also do the same for the other value. So we said sine y. So the angle y means sine y means opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite to the angle y is 5 and the hypotenuse is 13. That's a right angle triangle. So let's say we are looking for b. We don't know b yet. So using the Pythagoras theorem once again, 5 squared plus b squared is equal to 13 squared. 5 squared gives us 25 plus b squared, and then 13 squared gives us 169. So b squared is equal to 169 minus 25. So 169 minus 25 gives us 144. So we have 144. So b is equal to the square root of 144, giving us 12. So b is giving us 12. Okay, now that we know a and then we know b, it means that we can find sine x, and then we can find all the other values that we need to solve this. So we are going to say that, let me start from this side and then move to this side. So let me divide this. So you're having sine x minus cos y over cos x plus sine y. From the question, sine x was given already, so it was 8 over 17. Sine y was also given as 5 over 13. So we need cos y and cos x. So let's deal with the x first. Cos x means that car, if you're using the mnemonic CAH, car, it means that cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent to this x is the base angle, which is what, 15. So cos x is 15 over 17, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, now let's do the same and find cos y. So cos y also means that the adjacent to y, which is b, which is 12 over the hypotenuse, which is what, 13. So substituting the values of cos x and cos y into this expression we have here, we are going to get sine x, which is already given in the question as 8 over 17, minus cos y, which we just found to be 12 over 13, all on cos x. Cos x is also 15 over 17 plus sine y, which was already given in the question as 5 over 13. So the rest is our algebra. So in finding the LCM, you can simply say the LCM 17 times 13 going to give us 221. Bring our minus. Now that 13 enters into 221 17 times. So 17 times the 12 is going to give us 204. And then we also know that 17 enters into 221 13. So now 13 times the 8 is also going to give us 104. All this divided by, now let's find the LCM for this, is also going to give us 221. Then we bring our plus, 13 enters into this 17. Now the question is 17 times 5 gives us 85. Now 17 enters into 221 13. So 13 times the 15 is also going to give us 195. So breaking this down, we have 104 minus 204. That is a difference of what? 100. But don't forget, it is negative. Negative 100 over 221 divided by having 280 over 221. So what do we do? Minus 100 over 221. Since it's a division, you're going to change it and find the reciprocal. It becomes 221 on 280. 221 cancels out. We have 100 over 280. This 0 cancels out. So you have a minus 10 on 28. 2 enters into minus 10, minus 5. 2 enters into 28, 14. So it means that our final answer is going to be minus 5 on 14.